All right, so I hope you were able to apply that shadow for our cards here. We're going to do that together in the next lecture if you haven't done so, so no worries at all. So the effects that we want to add is to these card UIs over here, this one on the restaurant page and the ones on our menu page. Now the beauty of both is that because here we're using repeat grid, we just need to apply it to this one and it will apply to all the other card UIs. And then similarly here, because we're using instances of a component, we only need to apply it once and it's applied throughout the rest of our designs. And so this is another reason why components and repeat grids are so useful because it really reduces that work of needing to keep repeating the same pattern or apply the same shadow all over and over and over again. So let's start with the restaurant page, zoom in over here, select our card, and what you want to do is select the background layer again, and then we'll do a drop shadow, keep the X and Y as it is. We'll click the opacity, bring it down to 8%, which I think looks subtle and clean, and then we'll do 10 for the blur. Cool, I think that looks pretty good. Now, of course, you can play around. There's no right or wrong in terms of what numbers you set here, as long as it looks good. So if you want to add more blur, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Or if you want to make it more visible, your shadow, you can totally do that as long as you keep it, pretty subtle. So going to this card UI, let's go back to our components page and just apply it here. It's easier that way. Just select that background layer and I'm just double clicking to go into that component, to that main component. Select my rectangle layer here, the one that's covering the entire component. And then we're going to do a drop shadow and same thing, 10 pixels for the blur and 8% for my opacity. I see that looks pretty good too, pretty clean, very nice. So now you can see we're adding those subtle details that really make our design stand out and look great and professionally done. This is very key when it comes down to putting together mockups that clients like. So as you can see, we're really starting to polish up our designs and it's starting to look really good now. Really like what we've done so far. So why don't we come back in the next lecture and continue by working on our profile/menu page.